What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Magnaware cast aluminum Dutch oven. In this review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this thing, including one thing you should know before buying. All right, so first thing about this, which my wife is a big fan of, right, Ta?
Yeah.
She says that it's absolutely beautiful. She loves this thing, just the look of it in general. We usually use it, quite frankly, we use it for pot roast every once in a while, and always at Thanksgiving time is the two main times that we are using this thing. But it really is a really good product. It is aluminum, so I think it is lighter, and I don't know exactly what the old one weighed, but it is lighter than the cast iron one that we previously had, because like I said, it is aluminum, which is lighter. This is 12.6 quarts. There's different sizes, but we wanted to get the bigger one. So on the inside, nothing crazy. Basically just have the inner part here, and they have this little grill here that you just put, basically when you put something on so it doesn't stick to the bottom or anything like that. Also important to note, these come off really easily. That's by design. They're not even technically supposed to stay on. I just had them on. So it usually just sits like this. We usually just have it like this. And then when we're going to use it, we will take these out and use them on here. Because that's one thing, this all gets really hot. One of the better things about aluminum, very even heat distribution, but also that just makes it so things like this, the handles and that, they can get really hot. So as you can tell, just looking at it, we do keep it pretty clean. We do our best to scrub it down with soap and everything after we use it. You don't have to really season this or anything like that, but we scrub it down really well, and then we make sure that we dry it. They say that it's rust proof, but I'm super paranoid because this thing isn't cheap, right? So we do that as well, and really dry it to make sure that it stays rust, without any rust or anything like that. But super clean, super easy to use, does a great job in cooking everything. Like I said, we usually do like Thanksgiving, sometimes we'll do pot roast. We've done some Cajun things as well, some jambalaya, etc. But usually it's used for Thanksgiving and things like that. But yeah, absolutely love it. Now the thing to know about it that I think is really important, I think there's really two things to know. So first off, this should only go up to 450 degrees. So you shouldn't use it in a grill, you shouldn't use it with a broiler, anything like that. If you do it over that, it can warp it, which is definitely no good. The second thing, we only use bamboo utensils, wooden utensils inside of here. You can scratch it, but we've done a good job. As you can see, it's very clean still. We've done a good job in keeping it clean. There will be minor scratches, and you can see them if you look close enough. There will be minor scratches on this thing. That just kind of happens with time. And also one thing that's kind of annoying, like fingerprints like that. But it's just, it's par for the course, right? It's something that's gonna happen with this. But overall, really good product. Absolutely love it. My wife is a big fan of it. I'm a big fan of it. Really good, high quality cookware, and we definitely recommend it if you're considering it.